In this lecture, I certainly have no intention of teaching you how to create blog posts or short essays. It's a longer topic than a single lecture could cover. But what I do want to point out to you is that we've begun with words and sentences, and then or words and spaces. And then we talked about how they're used to construct sentences, complete sentences. And then we looked at how complete sentences are used to construct paragraphs. Well, what I want to point out is that you can go beyond paragraphs because multiple paragraphs are used to create chapters or sections, or in this case, blog posts and short essays. I used blog posts and short essays because most of the time what you're doing in this case is you're making a statement or you're trying to make an argument and then you're supporting that argument, or you quite often do, especially in essays. So I want to take a look at the next step of using paragraphs to construct longer writing assignments. So just as topic sentences, supporting sentences, and concluding sentences are used to construct a paragraph, topic paragraphs, supporting paragraphs, and concluding paragraphs are used to construct blog posts and essays. So we're just upping the ante a little here in size. Now, if you look at the typical structure of a blog post or short essay when you're making an argument, it usually begins with an opening paragraph where you state your argument, and then you have one or more supporting paragraphs where you support the argument, and then you have a concluding paragraph where you restate your argument. And that's typically the structure of so many things that you write. It has a beginning, a middle, and an end. And here I want to take a look at a sample, say, short essay. This is very short and very dumb, but it gives you the idea. It says, dogs are furry. So that's my topic sentence for my opening paragraph. Not only do they have fur on their backs and their tails, but they also have fur all over their faces. In fact, the only part of a dog that isn't furry is the tip of its nose. Now, that's my opening paragraph. So I talk about how dogs are furry. Now I have supporting paragraphs. Dogs have fur to keep them warm in cold conditions. Fur also helps to protect them if they get in a fight with another dog or prey. The fur can be either short or long, but it always seems to be there. So there's supporting stuff about the fur. Now I can go to the concluding paragraph where I say, I like dogs with fur because they're nice to pet. So I kind of restated the original thing about dogs with fur and that dogs have fur and why that's so nice. So I hope that gives you an idea. So not only do you use topic sentences and so on to build paragraphs, but next what I want you to think of is using paragraphs to build either blog posts, essays, chapters, whatever you're writing. So you need lead-in paragraphs, opening paragraphs to a chapter. You need supporting paragraphs, all the narrative of things that happen. And then you need a conclusion where usually you're going to put a cliffhanger if you're writing nonfiction. So I hope that helps. In the next lecture, we're going to look at the blog posts and short essays writing session where we're actually going to do some writing. I'll see you there.